So in today's video we are going to discuss about Ohuhu alcohol markers, a little review and color swatching as well. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Neha from Art and Stuff, a calligraphy and mandala artist. So if you're an artist or want to become one, consider subscribing to my channel. Alcohol markers are really good for coloring, drawing and can be blended also. Ohuhu alcohol markers comes in different varieties and sets. This one is the alcohol based art markers set of 40. It is available in set of 36, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 160 and 200 colors. This set was for rupees 1999 and I'll mention the Amazon link in the description. Talking about the pack, all the markers come in a pouch and this pouch can be used as a marker stand as well. So all the storage problems are fixed already. There is a swatch card, manual and a bleed proof pad inside the pack. The swatch card is a pretty thick paper and all the shades are mentioned here with a box for each shade. So you can just match the color code or name and color the box, and we'll swatch all the colors later in this video. There is a bleed proof paper which says if you are coloring on thin paper, please put this pad between your coloring sheets to prevent any bleed through. So this is a really helpful sheet or pad. Since alcohol markers bleed a lot, this pad will be really helpful while coloring. There's also a manual inside the pack which has all the required details. You can give it a read to know more about the brand, the markers, different shades available, different sets available, blending techniques and more. All of these markers are twin tip markers. One is a broad tip or the chisel tip and the other one is the fine tip. So you can use the broad tip for coloring on bigger areas and the fine tip for drawing or coloring in smaller areas. Now let's quickly look at all the swatches. So according to me, this set of alcohol based art markers is really amazing, and I'm totally satisfied with this product. Some of the points that I would like to share with you all are, first of all, is this pouch, which is really amazing, as you don't need to worry about the storage of the alcohol based markers. It can also be used as a marker stand, and it also has a handle at the top of it, so it is very easy to carry. So the pouch is very sturdy and it is easy to use. Talking about the price, this is a set of 40 markers for rupees 1999, which means approximate rupees 50 for each marker. So technically you get two markers for rupees 50, because each of this is a twin tip marker. So this is a very good deal according to me. The colors in this set are really amazing. The set has mixed colors like pastels, neons, grays, and few shades of each color. So even if you are buying a set of just 40 colors, you won't be dissatisfied with the shades that they have provided. Every set has a blender pen, so if you want to mix in different colors, use a blender. The tip of the marker is also really good and works with all types of paper. The broad tip and the fine tip, they are really smooth and amazing and works with all types of paper. The best part about this set is the bleed proof pad, as it protects the other sheets in your sketchbook. Since alcohol markers bleed a lot, this is a plus point and a must have when you are working with alcohol markers. So you can just keep this sheet behind the paper that you're working on to protect the other sheets. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning something new through this video. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next week with a new video. Bye.